YouTube, what's going on? So Review Kicks here, back with another unboxing, another review, another day, another shoe. Let's get into this one. And as you see, I'm sure some of you know which one this is. As you see here, we have a Jordan box. Let's see what we have. Today we have the Air Jordan 5 Retro OG White New Emerald Grape Ice. Alright. Check out the box. Usual cement box, which I never understood why they put a cement box on the 5, but yep. Take a look at the bottom. Alright, let's take a look what's inside. Not much of a presentation. Usual black trash bag. Wow. And yes, we have the grapes. Just put that aside for right now. A little divider. That's a shoe. Shoe. Let me know if you guys copped, if you guys passed. I know there was mixed reviews. At first this was said to be a heater, but looks like it missed. Date code. Alright. I do see the YCM sticker on the bottom. Looks like a QC sticker on top of the lid as well. Box size is 330 by 220 by 235 by 120. Sorry. All right, and there we have it. This is the Retro 5 Grape. Nostalgic, beautiful, beautiful shoe. I'm sure they're still available to purchase, mass produced. Widow's Peak. Widow's Peak. Beautiful shoe. Take a look at the netting. Air bubble. All right. I do have one issue. I ordered these from JD Sports, and the one issue I have is with this shoe. I have not worn these. You see they're brand new. But it seems as though somebody decided to try them on and walk with them for a couple or something. It only makes sense because this is the same type of creasing you get after a couple wears of a shoe. So, JD Sports, you guys got to do better. I will be returning these, by the way, because I need a fresh pair. No crease. Look at that sole line. Beautiful stitching. Look at that. Classic, timeless. This Retro 5 is beautiful. A lot of people didn't like them. I do also have the alternate grapes. Maybe I should bring those out one day. Alright. Lace locks. Classic. Let's take a look at what the inside brings. First things first, Jordan tongue hit. Check that out. And the famous shoe tree. Gotta love the famous shoe tree. Paper shoe tree. Hey, at least this one's, it goes in there. Nice. Okay, here we go. And size tag above the Nike Air. Oh, they kept it original. No Jordan sign. All right. That wasn't playing. Let's take a look at what we have on the inside there. Ooh. Okay. There you see it. Let's take a look at the stitching on the inside. As you see, we got some writing. Black stitching. White footbed. I don't know if those codes correspond with the box, but there you have it. Black sock liner. Beautiful. Take a look at the size tag. Kind of hard to see here. 1 second. It's like the SZ factory. There we go. 11/13/24, 103/25. All right. Okay, let's take the front tile. Love it. Love it. All right. Take a look at that classic bottom, man. Beautiful. All right. I'm sorry. I like to look at all the stitching. Beautiful work. All right. Well, quick little review of the Air Jordan Retro 5 Grapes. Like I said, nothing spectacular. Just a classic shoe that I had to have in my collection. And yeah, let me know if you guys copped or you guys passed on this shoe. Like I said, it's nothing spectacular. I do hear of a lot of issues like this. You know, this should not be happening. But I will rectify that. But as always, if you guys enjoyed today's video, comment, like, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one.